is our green box, and let's discover one of the activity. This is Tangram puzzle. In this, kids can do different kind of shapes of alphabets, numeric and animals. Let's see. Here you can see we have given the skill development areas. By using this kit or by using solving this puzzle, kids can develop these 3 skills. In every kit, we have specified the skill development areas. This is the manual, and we have given some shapes which kids can make by using this puzzle. Let's try to do one of them. We will try to make candle now. Just take out all the pieces and try to match accordingly. We have to place one number at the bottom, then take the other triangle, which is second number, then 7. So by this, kids will also learn the numbers and how to match the shape. So this is the way that your candle will be created. As you have seen that we have made some shapes from this, but we can do some imaginary figures also. So you can pretend these 2 triangles to be mountain, this as a river, we can make a boat and a house too. So this is how you can develop your kids' imaginary skills. So this is our one of the activities, and for other activities please find us on our trail videos.